Hello, Gautam Dugar this side from your own Jain Tutorials. Me myself and the entire team at Jain Tutorials joins in wishing you a very happy and a prosperous Diwali. May this new year bring you loads of happiness, peace, good health, joy and above all, independence. This Diwali, we ourselves at Jain Tutorials want to extend our hands to those aspiring students who want to be financially independent along with their studies. For this, we have joined hands with the Institute of Digital Learning and have designed a series of modules for our students. There's a lot in the pipeline, from the accounting professional courses to taxation professional courses to digital marketing and capital markets. For this, we have organized a seminar cum webinar in hybrid mode to explain all the details to the students, where we will also be taking up one-to-one queries of the students regarding these modules. So you are simply required to fill up the form given in the link below, and our team will get back to you to give you all the details. Happy learning, stay connected with Jain Tutorials, and once again wishing you all a very happy